In this video from Device Doctor, we will show you how to fix color issues on the Epson L18050 and L8050 printers when some colors do not print correctly.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This printer sometimes faces a color issue where one or more colors do not print correctly. The most common reasons are air trapped inside the ink system, a clogged printhead, or not using the printer for several weeks or even months. Today, we will fix this issue step by step. The first step is to perform a nozzle check to see the condition of the printhead. When the printer is turned off, press and hold the cancel button. Then press and hold the power button together for about 10 seconds. This will start a manual nozzle check print without needing a computer. As you can see, several colors are completely missing from the nozzle test, and most likely, your nozzle test will look the same if you are facing this issue. Now, please turn off the printer completely before moving to the next step. Now, remove the maintenance box from the printer. Using a large syringe, ideally 50 cc or smaller, gently draw out a few cubic centimeters of ink from the waste ink tube that connects to the maintenance box. This helps release any trapped ink or pressure that may block proper flow. Now, place the maintenance box back into the printer. By the way, if you want to learn how to properly clean or replace the pads inside the maintenance box, do not miss our detailed video on that topic. The link is available in the description below. After placing the maintenance box back into the printer, turn on the printer and wait a few moments until it enters ready mode. This means the printer has successfully initialized and is ready for the next step. At this stage, simply perform one head cleaning. Press and hold the cancel button for about 10 seconds, and the printer will start the head cleaning process. This will take approximately 3 to 5 minutes to complete. For better head cleaning performance, make sure to leave all the ink tank covers open during the process. When the power button light stays solid, not blinking, it means the head cleaning process is complete. If the light is still blinking, please wait until it stops. Now, turn off the printer again and perform another manual nozzle check to see if the cleaning process was successful. Again, press and hold the cancel button, then press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. The manual nozzle check will print. As you can see, the nozzle check has printed perfectly, and all colors are coming out clearly. This simple manual cleaning method works really well and can solve common color issues for your Epson L18050 or L8050 printer. I hope this guide helps you get the same excellent results at home. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Device Doctor for more expert tips, tutorials, and solutions for all your printer problems. Do not miss our future videos. We have a lot of useful guides coming up.